Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix lag issues in Path of Exile. And to do this, first thing to note is that I'm playing on Steam. So right here I have Path of Exile. So I'm gonna right click on it, go for the properties, here select updates, and now make sure to select pause background downloads while I'm playing. This will allow Steam to stop all downloads while you're playing Path of Exile. And also make sure to close all of the other apps like Epic Games Store or anything else. Now moving on to the game, let's start it up. And right here what you can do is change a gateway. So this doesn't affect your characters, you will still get the same characters no matter which gateway you're playing on. So pick one with less MS, so in this case it's Frankfurt for me. Click on login and then start playing. You should enjoy your game with less lag, and sometimes it's just the servers, so just don't worry and wait till the lag stops. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.